In this video, you'll learn about the Safe Mode menu and how it may be used to restore some functions to a PS3 system that isn't working properly. In some cases, normal functionality can be restored to a PS3 system by starting it up in Safe Mode and then executing one or more menu options. Some Safe Mode options can result in loss of stored data, including saved game data, and files such as video, music, and photos. There's no guarantee that using Safe Mode options will resolve the specific issue that your PS3 is experiencing, but these are steps you can try before you decide to send your system in to be serviced by a technician. First, you'll be shown how to access the Safe Mode menu, and then you'll learn about the available options and the specific problems they may help to solve for your PS3 system. There's a lot of information ahead, and it may help to pause this video while you follow its instructions, or use links at the top of this video to jump to information about a specific Safe Mode option. To enter Safe Mode, press and hold the power button to turn the PS3 system on and keep your finger on the button. You should hear one beep when you first press the button, and another beep about 5 seconds later, and a third beep after you've held the power button for approximately 10 seconds. The PS3 system will power down after the third beep. This is normal and is a required step in accessing the Safe Mode menu. Release the power button after the third beep and then press it again, holding your finger down on the button. Just like before, you'll hear one beep when the PS3 starts up, a second beep about 5 seconds later, but after that you will hear two beeps in close succession. At this point, you should see an on-screen message that prompts you to connect a wireless controller to your PS3 system with a USB cable and then press the PS button. Follow these instructions to enter the Safe Mode menu. Now let's discuss the options in the Safe Mode menu and when it's appropriate to use each one. The first option in the Safe Mode menu is Restart System. Use this option to exit Safe Mode and immediately start up the PS3 system. The second Safe Mode option is Restore Default Settings. Selecting this option will reset the PS3 system settings to the state they were in when the system was brand new, reverting any changes made to game, video, music, network, accessory, and other settings. PlayStation Network sign-in data will also be lost if you restore default settings, meaning that you will have to re-enter your email and password before you can sign into the PlayStation Network after using this option. The third option in the Safe Mode menu is Restore File System. This option may be able to remedy a variety of different issues. It's recommended that you restore the file system if the PS3 system contains corrupt files which cannot be accessed or deleted, stopped working during a system update, freezes on the XMB menu, or displays a message after system startup warning that the hard disk is corrupted. If you're experiencing any of these issues, then it's a good idea to try the Restore File System option. Using this option will not delete anything from your system hard disk except for corrupted data. If your system contains corrupted data that wasn't deleted when you ran the Restore File System option, then you may consider the next option, Rebuild Database. Selecting this option will delete messages and playlists, but will not delete game data, saved game data, videos, photos, or music. It may take an hour or longer to rebuild the database, depending on the storage capacity of the hard disk in your PS3 system and how much data is stored there. Option 5. Restore PS3 System. This option should be used as a last resort before sending your system in for service, because restoring your PS3 system will delete all data from the hard disk and change all system settings back to their default values. This includes saved game data, downloaded games, movies, and all other data. Please note that game and video content purchased from the PlayStation Store can be downloaded again at no extra charge, provided they remain available. If your PS3 system can start up normally after restoration has been completed, you will be prompted to set up your system just like when you turned it on for the first time. If using this option doesn't resolve your issue, then you will have to send the PS3 system in to be serviced by an authorized technician. Click the link at the bottom of this video to learn about service options. The last remaining option on the Safe Mode menu is called System Update. You should use this option if you're unable to update your PS3 system from the XMB or if your system shuts down during a system update. Before you can use this option, you will have to download System Update data and store it on a USB storage device. This will require a personal computer that has internet access, a USB storage device that has at least 110 megabytes of available storage space. Using a PC, you must create a folder named PS3 on your USB storage device. Create another new folder inside the PS3 folder and name the second folder Update. Make sure the names for both folders are in uppercase letters. Next, open a web browser and go to us.playstation.com. Scroll down the page and click on the link for the latest PS3 system update. Click the Download Now link on the next page. Save the PS3 system update data to your USB device in the Update folder. Insert the USB device that contains update data into your PS3 system. Enter Safe Mode and select option 6, System Update. When prompted, you must press the Start and Select buttons at the same time to begin the update process. It will take a minute or so for the PS3 system to prepare the update data. A minute or so later, you will be prompted to read through the user agreement and accept it before you can begin the update process. If you agree with these terms, press the right directional button to advance to the next screen. There you can select Accept and press the X button. When you see the screen that warns you not to turn off power during the system update, then you can press the X button to begin updating your system. If the update process completes successfully, then you will be returned to the XMB menu afterward. If your PS3 system is not able to complete the system update, then it's recommended that you try Safe Mode Option 3, Restore File System. If that doesn't allow your system to restart normally, then it's recommended that you try Option 5, Restore PS3 System. So now you know how some of the options in Safe Mode may be used to restore functionality to a PS3 system that cannot start up normally.